Today we'll show you how to upload proof of renter's insurance for your lease. Renter's insurance helps protect you and your stuff. This is often a requirement of leases set by your landlord to show that you have set up renter's insurance for your rental after signing a lease. First, navigate to the Leases page from the left-hand navigation menu. Next, from the Leases tab, select the View Lease button. If renter's insurance is required in your lease, you'll see the option to set up renter's insurance through your account or select Upload Proof Now. If you do not see that option, scroll down to below the Move-In checklist. Below the lease, there's a list of files associated with the lease. Select renter's insurance, then choose the document to upload from your computer. Once the file has been uploaded, a green check mark will appear next to renter's insurance. Provide proof of renter's insurance will also automatically be checked off the to-do list. You are also able to upload any other documents your landlord may request, such as a completed move-in inspection list, by selecting Upload Other Files. After the renter's insurance has been uploaded, the file is available for download at any time by both the tenant and the landlord. To download or delete a file after it has been added, select the three dots next to the file and press either Download or Delete. Congratulations, you've just successfully uploaded proof of renter's insurance for your lease. If you have any additional questions or experience any challenges along the way, you can reach the Avail customer support team by phone, email, or online chat. Details can be found below.